You're gonna love the 2019 Dodge Charger. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Dodge Charger, the powerful, high-performance muscle car with four-door convenience, technology that keeps you safe and connected, and surprising fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, forged wheels, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, fog lamps, remote engine start, keyless start, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio. Why miss out on performance just because you need 4 doors? Get into the Charger and drive.